Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add metadata to a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. First open your PDF file with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and select this file option. Here we will find this properties option, click here and type here metadata, here title, type your author name, me, and subject, and type here your file keyword. Also you can add here additional metadata, click here, copyright status, you can select here copyright, type here a copyright name, also you can put here copyright URL. Now finally click OK and select OK and click this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.